Alright, I made it into a different Homegoods location. Okay. I love looking at the sunflowers. So pretty, right? Really, really pretty. 15 for him. We see that guy. Come on. Oh, is that a cute little pot? 10. Is it 10? No, 7. It's actually really cute. Oh, does that lid come as a candle? Can we hold that?
Yeah.
Let me get it for you. 17. It smells like nothing. It's just decorative. I don't smell anything on it.
Wait.
25. I like the knitted one. Scarecrow friend. She's cute. She. It's kind of a cute one. No, it's like is that a skirt? I don't care what it is. 17. 25. These are cute. They're 35, and they have one with like orange leaves and sunflowers too. And more pumpkins. And pumpkin and acorn garland. That's cute. Oh, there's Mr. Owl in the back. Mr. Owl. Let me turn off the lights in here. But I got 30 minutes. What time do they close? That's cute. They close at 9:30? 15. Oh, they have a fox one too. There we go. Sunflower.
They close in 20 minutes.
Oh gosh, what time is it?
It's 8:41.
Okay, I got time. I thought it was 9:30. I swear they used to close at 9:30, right? 25. Okay, we'll mainly do scanning because I literally have how much time?
19 minutes.
19 minutes, okay. Tell me what time is it?
8:41.
Tell me when it's 8:52 and to get out of here before they make their announcement. Shut off my light. Is this a new one? Or maybe a new one. Possibly. Farm Fresh. Okay. We got the Grinch. So we may see... I'm hoping we may find some Christmas start peeping up in a different location. They had a Mickey Mouse Disney mug of Christmas. Look at that doggy. He's all alone. He needs a friend. Now this witch I haven't seen. She's kind of cool looking. $20. Oh my gosh. He's a vampire. I like him. And that's cute. It's cute. I'm not gonna lie. It's cute. It's adorable. Turning my light over here. Wow. Here's a new one. Oh, let me grab it. These are actually really nice. Are they 10? I don't see a price on it. But they have this set down here. You guys, isn't that cool? These are cool, babe. Look at these.
Oh.
There's no price. But look how cool.
I like that. That's neat.
That's actually really neat. I don't see a price on them.
This one's neat.
Here's the silver one. They're 7.15. That's cool. Kind of giving me Iron Maiden vibes.
Yeah. Evil Eddie.
And look, here's another one. 7. These are cool. Okay, I like those. I love it. cool new mugs over here. Are we the only ones in here? We got time, right? Food, tons of food. Pumpkin spice. I may just leave early because then I feel bad if I'm the only one in here, you know? They're like, I just want to go home. But I think there's some other people. Yeah, there's a family in here, okay. I used to work retail, so I know how it is. All the making your drinks. Oh yeah, there's plenty of people over here, okay. Oh, what are they gonna get ready? What is that? I haven't seen that, but hopefully they'll get in some new decor. Let me walk this way. The dinosaur one. Eek. It's really cute. Is that all the fall? There's an owl candle. It's supposed to light up. This is 10. That's cute. Time. Sea breeze 17. What time is it? Look, it's like a grocery bag. 8:45. Okay. 8:52. Remind me. And I'll just go next door to the TJ Maxx. Maybe combine it. I'll combine this video. Oh yeah, they're moving. Oh my gosh. See, look. Christmas, you guys. 35 for the trees. We have a snowman. He's 25. In the back, that's 40. Oh, this is actually heavy. I don't want to lift that up.
Yeah.
More snowman. Oh, no price? No price on that, but it's heavy.
Yeah, it's right here. It's 50.
50, okay.
I'll take.
Bowling pin snowman. It's cute. There's a penguin. He's cute. Look at this one, 130. Wow.
It's that company that makes those witches.
19 at 250. Oh, right here too. Here's like a nutcracker. And this guy. I'm trying to light. He's 50. And we know, I mean, for 50 bucks, 505 out of 1,000. So the nutcracker comes with it, okay? And they have this one too.
Look at this one.
Look at her shoes.
What
She's
number is
50.
this one?
I don't know.
Number 51 out of 1,000.
51? 25?
57, sorry.
57? Oh, those are cool.
Out of 1,200.
I don't know what the song is, but it's like, you did me wrong. A girl did him wrong. Okay. Look, there's more in here. We've seen these before. Can we open this one? Be careful. Her outfit's different. That's crazy. They have the guy one too. Oh, I've seen that one.
This is number 513 out of 1,200.
We have Snoopy for 13. Look, you guys, they have these Hello Kitty things for like your juice. She's like in a cute gingerbread dress for $5.99. And more tumblers. These are, yeah, Hello Kitty gingerbread, 7. A gingerbread guy up here. Okay. 10. So maybe they're making the whole middle.
Oh, actually, it's this one. And
Look at the Phantom of the Opera one. It's actually kind of cool. Oh, they're cool. I think that's neat. Is that the same guy?
it's this guy.
Yeah, I normally see this one at Dillard's, right?
Mm-hmm.
That's crazy. They're cool looking. They're normally like in the 300s, so $50, kind of a smoking deal.
Number 31 out of 900.
Wow. Let's look down here. Oh yeah. Actually, this must be it for this location. I could look at TJ and combine pillows, more pillows. I think they're trying to go home. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and go. And I'm gonna go ahead next door to TJ Maxx. I'll just combine it. Okay, I made it inside TJ Maxx. Look right here, Blossom. That's a cool one. A 20. Look at this Blossom. 35 True Religion.
I wonder if they have the other two.
No, all I see is Blossom. Steve Madden. Oh, right here. Buttercup.
Oh, how funny.
Let me put it together. These are only 20. Remind me to make a short before I leave out of these two.
Maybe we'll find out.
Although, who do you guys like? Bubbles, Buttercup, or Blossom? Did I speak too soon? Oh no, this is Marc Jacobs for 180. BB, a lot of BB. Lot of BB. Okay. And you know I like these bags. That just look so much fun, right? Like a date night. Kate Spade. 120. $29.99. That's Aldo. The leather suede, which I'm a huge fan of. Okay, we have Michael Kors, 109. DKNY, that shiny one. That's this large Guess one, maybe 35. Oh, $39.99 and 130. It's kind of a cool one. Check out the handle on it. Who makes that? Let me see real quick. Claudia. Here we go. Cool. For $29.99. Anything cute over there, like the crossbody area. You know, I haven't seen many cute wallets or anything. But look at this Care Bear backpack. He's cute. Plenty of these bangles. Some of them are 10. Not as much going on in here today. Look at that skull one right there. It's cute. Okay, more. There's like the bubble one. I believe that's 17. And then we got a couple of crosses right here. I actually need a new chain on mine. Okay, check out this ring right here. That is like actually kind of cool. I mean, if you're into that. I mean, you know, whatever. But yeah, that's pretty cool. Snake, butterfly. What do you have? Pinch of sweetness, lip oils, lemonade lip treatment, cherry, black cherry. It's the plump. We love the plump. Okay, I always say that. I feel like it's become like a joke now. The plump. I'm watching like this guy flirt with the co-worker. It's kind of funny actually. $5 here. These two guys flirt with her. Mario. I feel like we're gonna see a lot of Mario when the season hits more. If you're a fan of it, they always have it here. Okay, we have spiders. Oh my gosh. You want spiders on your feet? They're 15 bucks. That's funny. Martini, the cat, the ghost. It's like a happy ghost. That one's $10. And then more of that. That's funny. There is Care Bears, more Boo, Stitches here, of course. Cowgirl, Boo. Oh, football. Okay, these are by Cushionaire, you guys. They are the platform. They're gonna be $25. I feel like I might wear these with like the wide leg jean pant. Hey, it's fall. I don't care. I don't care. Oh, look at these. We have some boots in the house by Sincerely Jules. These are going to be $28. Did I read that right? $35. Okay, this is kind of different. It says Bride and Frank on it for $10. And you get the straw. Lodge cast iron. Look at this lovely green. It's a really nice one. There's no, but they have this one. $29.99. There's a Viking. That's a good brand too. Okay, home decor snail. Oh look. Elephant, this cat, like lamp. Not as much in home and decor. Looks like a space. A planet space. Look at that doggy pillow, and they have a cat one. That's kind of cool. 20. $25. This is $25 as well. Okay, this is kind of cute with that doggy outfit. It's a romper, I want to say. Yeah, it is a romper. Dress. The shirt top. Alright, you guys, this might do it for the TJ Maxx. 10 bucks right here. Rolling Stones. Just trying to find some new items in here. I can't find a lot of the men's graphic tees. They took a lot of them out though. This is a short sleeve one for $29.99. They have like these sweatshirts. A lot of sweatshirts going on right now. More Rolling Stones. 35. It's like a two-piece sweat top, bottom. Alright, you guys, please stay safe. And I will see all of you in the next one. See, they're closing.